So hey, Glenda, this is I thought might be a better way to just go over the overview of this plan. So this is the Health Navigator Innovative Employee Benefits Plan. Let's skip ahead a couple slides. So it's made up of three components. The VDPC is the virtual care subscription through ACOS MD. Then with ACOS, you have basically you have a primary care virtual doctor that's assigned to your company that does a bunch of stuff that's $0 cost. But really, what I want you to see is where we get out of get as far as the CHIP program, the Champion Healthy Incentive Program. That's the program where each employee receives a tax-free benefit of $1,130 a month as long as they do certain triggering events, according to Section 105. So by doing this, every employee, and there's like 300 different ones, they do a triggering event, and then by doing that, they're able to take a tax-free benefit. Where I think, and here's some of the triggers that we're talking about. They're 5 to 10 minute triggers. You go on an app and you take an assessment, or you run, or you walk. There's all kinds of. There's a wellness type thing. So with this overlay, this plan, by doing that, basically the employee funds the cafeteria plan with $1,200 pre-tax. Each employee then performs these triggers each month and receives this incentive plan benefit of $1,130 post-tax. $70 goes back into this overlay medical fund, which is self-funded. It's administered by the third-party administrator is Champion Health. And then at the end of each year, if you have money left over, you can decide what you want to do with it or not. But right now, I'm going to concentrate on the employer spend aspect. So by having each employee contribute $1,200 each month, the employer saves a 7.65 FICA tax back. So here's the math on this. So per employee, the only fee is the $44 per month admin fee. So that's the company fee. Subtract that from the gross savings of $47.80 left over per employee, which is $573.63 per employee savings, or $5,636 per year for every 10 employees. So the pre-tax $1,200 sounds like a lot of money. Why would an employee want to participate in? That's where this CHIP, or the Champion Healthy Incentive Program, comes in. So on the right here, Health Navigator, the medical premiums stay the same because Health Navigator does not affect your underlying plan. It just sits on top. It helps it perform better when it comes to their group medical. On the right over here, you can see that there's a qualified contribution of $1,200 per month, and then the Health Navigator benefit of $565 twice per month, which pays out $1,130. That's the CHIP program payout. Employer side of the cost is $44 per month, offset by tax savings. So that's why we talk about a net zero cost here. But then there's an employee premium for participating in the CHIP program. That's where the confusion, I think, came into play. That's a post-tax premium cost, but the take-home pay still increases. So 24/7, 365 provider access. I use it all the time. 200 plus free prescriptions to come with this plan, unlimited access to behavioral health sciences, and typically a 3 to 5 increase in pay. If you have any more questions, Glenda, just let me know. Just put this together over my lunch hour. I have to sneak out this afternoon, but if you still want to get together and talk, so that you're more educated on this plan, so that when you talk to Steve, you're more up on this, I guess is the best word. You send me an email back, and Monday I'll try to get back with you.